Todd Mitchell. It's Friday, April 24th. The market is literally deader than a doornail today. The market opened up higher, sold right off to the low. Could not take out, this is not yesterday's low, but it is a low from these two lows. You can see the market bounced, came back down, retested, bounced again. Actually missed this trade, but that would have been a great short as it took out the first 3-minute bars low. Unfortunately, I had something with my daughter first thing this morning, so I had missed that trade. I mean, this is just a classic example of having a downward bias at the end of the prior day. Market gapped higher, created that first 3-minute bar, and once you take that out, that low, you want to be trading in the direction of where the market closed the prior day, right down in here. So that would have been a great trade, but again, family comes first, so that obligation comes before trading. So I'm in the office now, of course, and I'm waiting for the market to break. I mean, we've got the first half hour's high is right here, 2012.5, and today's low, 2106. Okay, if the market breaks down, I mean, look at all these lows, equal lows. Market breaks down through the round number of 2106 down and breaks to 2105 3/4. That would be a screaming short. Looking to make a few quick points there. To the upside, it's the first half hour high. Market's really coiled up in here though. I believe if the market's able to break up through these highs that I'm pointing to right here, let me point that out with my cursor. These highs, a lot of equal highs here, and then breaks up through this high. As you can see, I've got a buy stop order to go long. I would anticipate the market running up and trying to test the high of the day. So I'm looking to buy this at 211.25. That's where the buy stop is, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and I will be back when things start to play out. All right, everybody, I am filled. I got filled at 211.25. I'm long. I'm looking to take about 3/4 profit off, about a tick below the high of the day. So as you can see, I've got the resting order sitting right here to take me out of 3/4 of the position. That is only 1 tick below the high of the day. Let's see what happens. Does it happen quick, or does this take a couple minutes here? Let's see. All right, let's see here. All right, I'm back again. Let's see if that first profit target can get hit. Missed it by 1 tick. Look at this. 1 tick right here. Went up to 212, 2012 even. Profit target was 212.25. So let's just see how this bar pans out. All right, I am back, and my protective stop is right here at 2010.25. I'm long at 11.25. Looking for the market to try to retest the high of the day, but it looks like the market's going to come down. So I'll take a 1-point losing trade on this, and that's fine. It happens. Obviously, you got to have and accept losing trades. That happens. So let's just watch this pan out further. All right, we're getting a little closer here. We are, what, 50 cents away from at least taking partial profits here. We're at 11.75. Look at, we're at 12. We're 1 tick away. Come on. Let's see if this market can come back up. That's what I'm assuming will happen. I would have thought this would have occurred quicker than it usually does, but this time it's taken forever. So I'm going to give this a little bit more time, and if we can't break through this 12, this round number of 12, then I'll just call it exit the trade. So let's just watch this. Let's see, do we push through? Do we push through to 2012.25? Here we go. Let's see if we get hit. There we go. We got 15 off. We just locked in $750. We've got 5 left. Let's take this down real quick to 5. Okay, we got 5, and we're going to take that up to break even, folks. Break even. 11.25. We're going to risk a dime on this one. It's Friday afternoon. There we go. Let's see. Here we go. Gosh, it's been delayed getting that in. Here we go. We're at break even on the remaining. So we locked in 750. Let's see what happens here. Does it continue going higher? No. Now, again, we put this profit target in very logically and intelligently, one tick below the high of the day. Okay? And that was nailed. So let's just see what happens. Okay, there we go. We are out. It's a stop order. It's a sell stop, and they're there right now. So there we go. Look at this. We made $750 on this small trade here. All right. Again, taking the break above these highs, anticipating that the high of the day would be tested, and we pretty much got that, and that's where we put our profit target. Again, since I was with my daughter earlier this morning, could not take advantage of this trade as it took out that first 3-minute bar range. All right, especially after a nice gap opening like this. You would expect logically for the market to retest those lows, and that's exactly what we got. So a good trade, and let's see if we get anything else today. Bye.